Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tired of manually creating tasks every time someone books a call? In this video, I'll show you how to automatically send Calendly bookings to your Notion or Trello board. The secret is using a free automation tool like Zapier. You'll need accounts for Calendly, Zapier, and either Notion or Trello. Head to Zapier and create a new Zap. For the trigger, search for Calendly and select the invitee created event. Connect your Calendly account now for the action. If you use Notion, search for it and select Create Database Item. If you use Trello, select Create Card. Connect your Notion or Trello account. Then, you can map the Calendly information like the invitee's name, email, and meeting time directly to properties in your Notion database or fields on your Trello card. For example, you can automatically create a new client card in Trello, or add a row to your meetings database in Notion. The second a call is booked, test the Zap to make sure it works, then publish it, and that's it. You've just automated your task management, so you can focus on preparing for the call instead of doing data entry. If this streamlines your workflow, let me know which app you connected in the comments. See you in the next one.